Hi everyone, so today I'm going to look at an exam question. It's a 4-mark question. So what I've done is I've put the question here and I have written how the examiner would award you full marks for it, and we're just going to go through what that looks like in terms of like writing it out in the exam. Okay, so here's the question. It says work out the shaded area, that's the pink part here, and give your answers in terms of pi. So it's a circle. Well, we've got two circles, one inside the other, and we've been given the radius of the larger circle and the radius of the smaller circle. Okay, so this is a non-calculator paper question. So for the first mark, we're going to need to write out the correct formulas that we need. If we're talking about the area of a circle, then we are going to need area equals pi r squared. So the first mark is gotten by just writing out what you know. Okay, so the second mark is substituting correctly. So we're going to need to do this twice because we need to find the area of the large circle and the area of the small circle. So first of all, I'm going to rewrite a, and then I'm going to put pi, and then I'm going to put in a bracket 11 with a squared round it. I'm then going to write what that is. So that 11 squared is 121. So it's 121 with a pi next to it, just like that. Okay, the second circle is the smaller one, so I'm going to write pi 9 in bracket this time, squared, and that is equal to 81 pi, isn't it? So now what do I need to do with those two? So now here's my third mark showing my clear working out. So my third mark is subtracting one from the other, so I'm going to just write it out here. 121 pi take away 81 pi, and then my answer to that is 40 pi, and that is the final answer. Now you probably have a space below where you need to just write that on a line or something like that, but that's how you're going to get 4 full marks for that. So your first mark is going to be for the formula, second mark is going to be for the substitution, third mark is going to be for the working out, and then the correct answer is the final mark there. So that's your full 4 marks on the question. Okay.